Happy New Year. My New Year's resolution was I was going to be on top of everything, but technology has got the better of me. So if you wanted it at the beginning of the year, you missed it because I was still working on computery things. Necessary, one of those nasty little words, and what we notice is we have one C and two S's. And that's because a shirt has got one collar but two sleeves. One collar and two sleeves. So that's why it's necessary to have one collar and two sleeves. Now, if that's causing you trouble, another way of doing it, I expect I've shown you this before, is you write E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. And now you write N, C, one collar, two sleeves, A-R-Y. Then we'll go purple. N-E-M-E-S. Sorry. Hang on. N-E-M-E-S-S-A-R-Y. So you've got to be very careful on this one. Be quite comfortable with making mistakes. N-E-C, two sleeves, A-R-Y. And so it goes on. Happy New Year.